Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M8, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, you will want to, I believe, open up security application. I'm going to check it. Okay, never mind. So let's go into the settings, and in this case we're looking for About Phone, which is, you can see at the very top, and in here you'll find storage. Now, first storage that you will see is the actual storage of the phone itself, so not the one that we're looking for, but by scrolling down you will find with this very gray text labeled Samsung SD card. That's because I'm using a Samsung card, but if you have a different one, it will most likely say something else here. And anything below right here is related to the actual SD card. Obviously, we're looking for the format SD card, so we're going to click on that, and it gets us quick message formatting this SD card. Now, first paragraph is completely inaccurate, doesn't need to be formatted, but the second one is formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So obviously, if you store any kind of important data on it, do make a copy of it to, for instance, something like a computer, and then you can go back in here and then format it that way. I don't have anything on here. You can literally see it's straight up empty. So I'm gonna select Format SD card. Actually, I do have something on here. Not much, like literally three pictures. So I'm gonna, I'm gonna select Cancel, but you would basically select Format in this case, and it would go through a fully automatic format. Now I'm gonna quickly maybe check. So I should have a backup of this that I have stored somewhere, or not. Oh no, okay, I got it. So I do have a backup, so let's go to Format. Format this SD card, and you can see that's how it looks like. It only takes a couple seconds to finish up and should be right about done. Yep, there we go. So click on the Done button and you're good to go. The card is formatted and ready to be used once again. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.